It all adds up. 5148.50. That's weird.
If he's paying attention, he's going to get
Is
it
that
right.
A, the measurements of an NFL linebacker? Is it B, the combination of the spare wheel lock on the FJ Cruiser? Or is it C, the EPA estimated fuel economy of the Prius?
See?
Well, that was a point. What do you think it is? You think it's C? Prius fuel economy? You got it!
All right, so, Jared, give us please.
The owls are back.
Here we go. You got a car. There you go. All right, so Alex is on board with 2. Jared, none. Don't worry, we're going to try to get you up there. Next number on, it all adds up, is 1 million. Big number.
1 million. Is that A, the number of Prius drivers in Florida? B, the number of dollars per hour that Toyota spends on research and development? Or C, the number of Cheerios found on the floor of your average Sienna minivan? Ooh, that was pretty close. What do you think? You're going to say A, the number of Prius drivers in Florida. Do you want to change your answer to B by any chance?
Yeah, let's go for it.
That was a brilliant change. B
You
is
really
correct.
great.
And he's like, no,
choice,
at least
that
give
is.
me out.
Number of dollars spent per hour.
Indeed. So now we've got 2 on
they
this
good?
side and 1 on this side. All right. You're catching up.
5 second rule.
Number on.
It all adds up. 2009.
Let me get one.
Whoa, what is that?
Is that A, the year
Let me get one.
Toyota's
I'm holding the
N2
phone.
system came out? B, the year Toyota sold its 1 millionth hybrid? Or C, the year Shahara graduated high school? Yes. You're going to say B, 1 million hybrid sold? That is correct.
Yeah.
Woo, the owls are here.
All right, so it's 3 to 1. Ooh, right over here. 3 to 1.
3 to 1, final number on.
It all adds up. 3.
Is that A, the number of Avalon models you can choose from? Is it B, the number of wins Kyle Busch earned in one historic weekend? Or is it C, the number of licks it takes to get to the center of a Tootsie Pop?
Hey.
What do you have to say, Jared?
You're going to say A, the number of Avalon models you can choose from. Are you sure you don't want to say B? Is it B, the number of wins Kyle Busch earned in one weekend? Yes, it is!
Jared, you are going to win the designer paperclip in the shape of the Toyota logo. Wow. You're going to be the most stylish paperclip putter on paper there ever has been. There you go. There's your prize.
But first prize is this cool Toyota hat.
I embroidered that little Toyota logo, too.
How about that?
All right, give them a round of applause. They did a great job. Thanks for hanging out with these guys. All right, well, we had a blast. So make sure you all stay connected with us on the World Wide Web at Toyota.com.
It's true. You can also find us